This is the future, and humanity is all but extinct. We have been invaded by another species who erase our minds to take our bodies.
Melanie and her family were part of a resistance against the souls. She's been on the run for years. Some of us fight and try and survive. Melanie is tough and she's feisty.
Seekers?
I like doing my own stunts because it's always going to look more realistic. There's one stunt where I jumped off a balcony and they just put me on a harness. They asked me did I want to do it, and apparently they were having bets that I wouldn't do it. And I proved them all wrong. It's just been lovely, lots of fun. I just want everyone to be able to enjoy it.